This is Katie and Megan, students who cleaned Airbnbs at weekends and spare time to help make ends meet in these challenging times. Hosts would ask for them by name as they always got 5-star reviews and comments about their attention to detail. One day, they discovered the agency they worked for was making more money than them per hour. They decided to make the big decision to start up their own business. With the skills they learned from their teaching and business studies, they decided to build a brand and launch a cleaner training program. They used some of their student loan to invest in a marketing package from unique business registrations. They spotted DU57 GON, plus dustgon.co.uk, and thought it was meant to be as Megan's folks gave her their old Dacia Duster car when she left for university. Every time they parked outside a job, they got inquiries and compliments on their branding, with people taking pictures and posting them on social media. It wasn't long before old customers from the agency found them again. One week, they made more than a teacher earns in a month as the contracts and recommendations started coming in as their reputation preceded them. They took on staff and trained them up to their high standards. Even fellow students queued up to work for them for their bonus and incentive scheme. They then made the big decision to drop out of uni and take DustGon to the next level. Do you have what it takes to make this story a reality? Do you have the vision and drive to become the founder of a potential million-pound business? Your next customer could be right behind you. Make sure you're in front of them with a unique business registration plate. Visit ubrplates.co.uk.